Hey guys, Sandra here from Gitana Styling and the Fashion Entrepreneur Club. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming workshop, which is the Social Media Strategy Workshop. So if you are a fashion brand or a fashion business who's looking to establish a social media strategy that is simple yet effective, I invite you to join us. We're going to jump on Zoom on February 20th, which is a Thursday, for about an hour at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and there will be a replay. So I'm going to guide you through the process. We're going to talk about scheduling. We're going to talk about content. We're going to talk about tricks and tips and trends that are taking place right now to help you with visibility. So if you're looking to establish that strategy, this is the workshop for you. So the cost of the workshop is $50. Now, if you are part of our monthly membership for fashion entrepreneurs, you get it for free. If you are interested in testing out the membership, then you can sign up for $27 a month, which you can cancel at any time. And then that way you get access to everything inside the membership, the lessons, the workbooks, the Zoom calls, everything that we do, plus you get the workshop. So I'm going to leave links below. If you have any questions at all, let me know. I hope that this is super helpful. This is the right time to set this up. This is something that, needs to be ongoing in our businesses. And I know that a lot of people struggle with this. So I'm excited to get together with you and plan this. So yeah, I'll leave links below for you. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you guys in the workshop. Okay, bye guys.